In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable QR codes or Wisetag on your Wise account. Whether you're new to Wise or just unfamiliar with this feature, don't worry, I'll walk you through each step. First, let's get started by heading over to the Wise homepage. You can easily find the Wise website by typing wise.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page has loaded, you'll notice the option to log in at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on your profile. This will take you to a new page, allowing you to interact with your account's features and settings. Now, on this page, you'll find a section labeled Your Personal Account. Once you locate that section, give it a click. By clicking on your personal account, you're stepping a bit deeper into the customization options that Wise offers. Make sure you're clicking the right option, since these features are crucial for enabling your QR code and Wise tag. After you've accessed your personal account, this is where you will see your Wise tag. For those of you not familiar with Wisetag, think of it as your personal identifier within Wise. It's an incredibly convenient way to streamline transactions. So take a moment to explore this section. You'll find the Wisetag can be a powerful feature in simplifying your interactions within the Wise platform. Next, you'll encounter your Wisetag's QR code. This small but mighty image functions as a gateway by allowing others to quickly access your Wise details just by scanning. It's incredibly useful for business or personal interactions, where sharing account details manually would just take too long. Now, once you have located your QR code, you can copy the link to your clipboard. Also, you have the option to download this QR code. A quick tip here, make sure to securely store your QR code if you choose to download it, as you wouldn't want it to be accessed unintentionally. Lastly, it's crucial to make a deposit first in your Wise account in order to enable the QR code and Wise tag. Without this initial deposit, these features might not function correctly. It might seem like an extra step, but ensuring your account is properly funded is key to gaining full access to your Wise tag and QR code functionalities. There you have it. You've successfully enabled both the QR code and Wise tag on your Wise account. These steps are designed to facilitate a smoother transaction process and offer you the convenience you need in everyday banking. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Stay tuned for more videos where we simplify the digital world for you. Have a great day.